I took the lie detector, I think, in January of 1996. We filed a motion to get the lie detector test admitted into trial just prior to trial and most of those pre-trial motions, and it was denied then. The jury composition was definitely not a jury of my peers. It was pretty much an all-white jury from suburban North County, San Diego. There was no jurors on there from Oceanside to where they had any knowledge of the street life. So they had no understanding of my upbringing and or the life of gang members at all. When the jury came in, I already knew it wasn't good because none of them could look at me. They all either were looking in another direction or they were looking down. When they said guilty, I was just numb. I didn't know what to feel. I didn't know what to think. I didn't know where we was going to go from there. Afterwards, a lawyer came in to see me in the back, and he was like, "You've been wrongly convicted. You should blame me too. I'm part of the system." At that point, I went back to my cell. Of course, I got emotional and I shed some tears. But at the same time, I was still kind of hopeful, like, okay, well, I got an appeal. Unbeknownst to me, I didn't realize that winning an appeal is very hard. So I didn't know the road I had ahead of me.